In this video, I'm going to use some older walking onions I have that are starting to sprout and see what happens if I try to grow them using the Kratky method. I actually am interested mainly in the greens and not the bulbs, so let's see what happens here. So what I have for supplies are, I believe these are rapid rooter plugs, a net pot, a mason jar. This actually just fits in the mason jar like this to keep the light out. It's not perfect, but it does work to some extent. I have some fertilizer that I mixed up already in some water. So all I'm going to do here, I'm going to leave that off for the moment so that I can see my water line. So I'm going to pour my fertilizer first. And I just want to make sure that it's past the bottom of the net cup so that it will keep a rapid rooter plug from drying out. So that's probably pretty good. Probably needs a little more. Let's go below this, or up to this second line here. I'll show you what I mean by that in a second. The second line I'm referring to is the one here on the cup. So I'm just going to take one of these plugs and I'm going to actually not set it in there first. I'll close this up. So these are quite old. I'm not sure how well this is going to work, but I thought it was worth a shot. So, because they are sprouting. So I'm going to take, I'm not sure which ones of these I want to use in all honesty. But I'm going to break these apart a little bit. Because I figure as long as the base of them gets moisture, it should sprout, at least in my mind. Probably that one looks pretty bad. See how... It's really hard to see. There you go. See, there's really nothing going on. Let's try a different one. This one looks a little better. Let me see how it's got a sprout on it. See if I can get my phone to focus, kinda. So I'm just gonna break off the bottom here. You probably don't have to do this. I mean, if you have fresh ones, it's probably a lot better to use. So I'm just gonna stick this. So here's my plug. I'm gonna stick this right in there like that. And I want to put a couple in there because I'm not so sure that they're all gonna work because they're, like I said, they're older. So I'm gonna put this one in there with it. This probably goes against general advice as far as how many to put in a seed pod or here, but this is what it looks like so far. Pardon the background noises, my puppy. Then I'm gonna do another one here. Take this out. And let's see. And we'll try that. And then I'm gonna, so I've got 3 of them. I don't know how easy that is to see. The purple light in the background might be messing stuff up a little bit. But what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna set it in here. And it doesn't stay real well. It kind of flops over. Here, I'll show you. Because I don't have anything supporting it. It just kind of falls to the side. It doesn't really stay. But as long as the bottom of this stays wet through the nutrient, it, in theory, should at least, hopefully, get some sprouts. And I'm hoping these will grow. So I'm going to give that a shot. And then all I'm going to do... Actually, it might have been better to do this before I put the plug in, but that's okay. I'm just going to set this in here to help keep at least some of the light out. It's not perfect, but it works. This is just wrapping material from a package I received. And then I just put a piece of tape on it to keep it shut. So I'm just going to stick that under my grow light, and I'll give you an update and see how that worked out. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.